Hello everyone, welcome to Gurung Pinoy channel. Our lesson for today is multiplying two integers and dividing integers. Take note that in this lesson, we will only discuss multiplying two integers because we have a different rule in multiplying three or more integers. And the reason why we combine the lesson for multiplying two integers and dividing integers is because the rule for dividing or multiplying two integers are the same. So, kaya natin pinagsama yung lessons on multiplying two integers and dividing integers ay dahil magkapareho sila ng rule. So, here are the rules. If you are dividing or multiplying two integers with the same signs, just like here in our examples, both positive or both negative, the sign of the product or quotient is always positive. So, ibig sabihin, pag nagdi-divide tayo or nagmumultiply tayo ng dalawang integers na parehas ang signs, okay, yung sagot natin ay laging positive. And the other rule, if you are dividing or multiplying two integers with different signs, just like here in our examples, we have positive multiplied by negative or negative multiplied by positive, negative divided by positive, or positive divided by negative. So, magkaiba ng signs. The sign of the product or quotient is always negative. Okay, so those are our rules. Now, let's have some more concrete examples. Again, the same signs, the answer is always positive. So, let's have our examples here. You can see here na parehas silang positive, parehas na negative, same positive, same negative. So, you can see that all the answers are positive. Same is true for division. So, they have the same sign, both positive, both negative, positive, negative. So, parehas yung mga signs nila for division. So, the answer is also positive. Okay, don't forget that. Same signs, the answer is always positive. Okay, now let's have for different signs, the answer is always negative. Okay, take note of that. Pag magkaiba yung sign ng dalawang integers na minumultiply natin, then the answer is always negative. So you can see here in our examples, we have negative multiplied by positive integer, positive multiplied by negative, negative multiplied by positive, positive multiplied by negative. So, we have here different signs for our factors and ganun din sa ating division. So, we have negative 4 divided by positive 2. We have positive divided by negative, negative divided by positive, positive divided by negative. So, pag hindi parehas yung sign or magkaiba yung signs ng minumultiply natin at dinidivide natin, you can see that our answers are always negative. Okay, so always negative. Different signs, the answer is always negative. Now, let's try on your own. We have here practice problem 1. 3 times 8. What is the answer? Okay, you are correct. It's 24. Practice problem 2. We have the same signs still. Negative 7 times negative 4. The answer is, you're right. It's positive 28. Practice problem 3. We have different signs. 30 divided by negative 5. The answer is, you're correct. It's negative 6. Practice problem 4. Again, we have different signs. Negative 15 divided by positive 3. You're right. The answer is negative 5. Practice problem 5. Here we have the same signs. Negative 15 divided by negative 3. You're right. The answer is positive. Positive 5. Okay, and the last example. Practice problem 6. 4 times negative 9. We have different signs. The answer is You're correct. It's negative 36. Okay, so let's have now a recap of our lesson. The rule for dividing and multiplying two integers are the same. Take note of that. So parehas yung rule natin ng pag-divide at pag-multiply ng two integers. Okay, so what are the rules? If we are multiplying two integers or dividing integers with the same signs, the final answer is always positive. And if we are multiplying two integers or dividing integers with different signs, then the final answer is always negative. So that's all for our lesson for today. Like now, subscribe, and click the bell button for more videos to be delivered automatically to you.